Hi all. I just want to do a quick update. Haven't done much as usual, just been hanging out. I did go to the doctor. They're going to do a CT on it, and which is more than anybody else has done, and said we'll go from there. It's going to be scheduled for the when was it? Oh, now I forgot. The 10th, I think. No. Well, and it's going to be scheduled on the 17th, I believe. Anyway, the Monday Night Chaos live stream is still on. We're going to be doing that starting at 5 p.m. Pacific time, and hope to see y'all there. There's nothing in particular we're going to talk about. It's just chaos, as usual. One thing I did want to say, though, is that seems that there's been some trolls that have found me and found us. Just so everybody knows, I don't pay any attention to them. They don't bother me. They are a disruption, but that's all they are. Don't pay any attention to them yourselves. We know what they are. We know what they do. And there's not a whole lot we can do about it. We can try to control it by booting them out, but most of them have got 12 or 15 fake channels, anonymous names, and all that stuff. So I reached out to YouTube, and they said there just ain't much they can do. Well, they didn't say anything, put it that way. So been around a long time, so we'll just ignore them and have a good time right on around them. That's what we're going to do. So I got a couple of monitors. Gavin's going to be one. I think he may be there. I'm not sure. He was talking about going out camping with the family, so I'm not sure if he's going to be there or not. Music Man will probably be there, and if not, well, we'll just handle it. That's all. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, I can't think of anything else. Just want to let everybody know that we're still on, even though I didn't do a video this week. We're still on for the Monday Night Chaos. See you there.